I'm not it. Anna's it.
Hey! I'm gonna get you.
Oh wait, no.
Wait!
Anna's it.
Whoa!
Oh, well.
Whoa, gotcha!
Fire.
Okay, nobody else
Wouldn't even know it.
let's play the game.
Anna!
Yeah?
You're weird.
I'm sorry.
I'm
Don't say me into me.
Weird. Don't hit me. Stop. Videotape.
It's a video.
It's a bag again.
Oh my god.
Play! You gave me tag.
I second that.
Hey, guys, let's play free tag. Hey, everybody.
All these bags
Not right now.
Everybody.
I think we're all pooped.
You're gonna break the stupid swing set.
That's exactly why.
Well, not her alone. I mean, if she were on the swing with somebody.
Really? Just swing the whole thing.
Okay, if the formerly obese guy that now weighs 150 pounds sat on there, then it would break. No, I mean if the formerly obese man sat with you and you know he weighs 150 pounds, then
I weigh 130.
okay, combined you would be 280. So, oh yeah, that is way too much for.
Ow.
Okay, who did that? Oh.
Did
Come on, let's play a game of free tag.
No, let's just do something else.
Fine.
I feel like eating chocolate. I love this. Sorry, can't have mine. Can I have your Mr. Good bar? I don't think so. I'm gonna eat that. I'll give you. Don't take me. For my Mr.
I already took you.
Hey Anna. Can I have another Mr. Good bar?
I don't have another Mr. Goodbar.
Can you find one on the road?
Kristen, I don't think that's quite safe. I mean, it might have poisoning on it.
No.
Hey, take me.
I'll put this frog on the screen.
Then I just take it off.
Hey! Poor froggy. Yeah, are we gonna break this thing or something, Anna?
What?
Are we gonna break this thing or something?
No. It's wood. It's old.
Sad.
We saw lightning.
Oh, you saw lightning?